Hello students, welcome to program number 34 of Python for BCA third semester as per the syllabus of IKG Punjab Technical University Jalandhar. This one is the title of the program. You have to calculate factorial of a number using modules. Import math. Inside math, one module is there which is already defined inside Python. Enter any number from user side, input, enter any integer value. Using if else statement, you can control the content. If n less than 0, print kindly enter positive value, else if n is equal to 0, print factorial of 0 is equal to 1, else print factorial of then x, whatever the value entered by user, is equal to, here you can apply the module math dot factorial, you can pass the value. Here the value is n. You can pass the value. Now execute the program. Suppose I am entering negative value, kindly enter positive value. Again execute the program. Suppose I am entering 0, factorial of 0 is equal to 1. Suppose I am entering any other value, you can print the factorial. Factorial of 7 is 5040. In this way, you can use the previously defined modules inside math. By importing math, you can use the factorial. But in the previous program, we design a program using recursion inside function. This one is the direct program. Thanks for watching my video.